It's New Year's Eve, and this is a brief video to demonstrate how we can transcend 60 years of technological improvements and install MP3 digital music into my 1952 Ford pickup. And Ada will be helping me in this video. All we have to do is open the truck, and then hand off. And now all I have to do basically is install my cell phone into my handy little receptacle, otherwise known as a ashtray, and then connect it to my digital speakers. Turn on the power on the powered speakers. Now I have volume right here.
All you want to do is run around late at night.
Merry Christmas.